To create this infographic on how to study Spanish, I use Snappa.com, which is a website that allows you to create posters, infographics, and graphics for the web. So if you zoom in, you can see that it contains 6 steps on how to study Spanish. One, I put down as gathering information. That it's important to have your information easily accessible. 2 through 5 are ways to study Spanish. So using associations in between actions and words, using traditional study techniques, talking out loud, and the use of technologies such as online computer games and other websites. And then for part 6, I use this as a way to manage expectations. Speaking a language does use a lot of your time, and it's not something that's going to happen overnight. So this was the final product I was able to create, something I'd be very happy to display in a classroom. And then if you go to the website, you can see kind of how it is used to navigate. So you can use it to create posts on social media. You can use it to create blog and infographics, which I use this one to create the infographic you just saw. They do have some key templates that you can use. I used this one. And with this one, you can just select things that are all in boxes already and change them. So change this one to how to study Spanish. And then I deleted out some of the pictures and changed the words. I also changed the background, and all those things are very easily accessible by clicking on the toolbar at the top. However, the downside to Snappa is that you cannot save your projects within the website. You would have to upgrade to a premium account, but you can download them as pictures, and I believe you can share them as well, so you could add it into a website or embed it somewhere.